Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session. This video is about features of C language. We started learning of C programming, a complete course on C programming. So in this series of learning, this is one more video where you can know the concept of features of C language. Now let's understand this concept in detail. So C is a programming language which is introduced in the year of 1972, and he's the one who was behind of this C, and he is Dennis Ritchie. And there are some features which are makes C is a very trending programming language. So let's see features of C programming language. The first feature is it's a high level programming language. So we all know that machine can understand only binary language. Machine can understand only binary language, whereas C will not think about the machine level language. That means we need not to write the code which can be understood by only a machine. We can write a code which is user friendly, that is English language will use. At maximum we'll use our English language. So you can find out some terms in C language, like include is a term. Now include is a term which we were taken from English, a general English language. So it is what user level language. User level language. So C is such a language which is high level language, and C is a case sensitive language. The second feature, this you can name as the first feature, and this is you can name as the second one. It is case sensitive language. What do you mean by this? That if I have two variables with the name of capital TOTAL and small TOTAL, and these two variables will recognize as two different variables, though the meaning is same, though the spelling is same, still it is different in case sensitive, right? This is capital T and this is small t. So this will be recognized as two different variables. So this is case sensitive, and almost all the variables you can see in small letters. All the things which are binded to C programming, that all will be in small letters. And the third feature is, you can name this as third, as middle level. C is a middle level language, that is C is a high level language with low level features. C is a high level language with low level features, and C is a powerful language. C is a powerful language. The meaning of this is C will support built-in operators, a very strong operators will be going to have, and a very good data types will be going to have, and even we can access the address of the variable. So we will be given permission to access through pointers. C is very powerful language because we'll be going to use pointers. That is what we are given permission to access the address of a variable, and we'll be going to have some built-in operators, which are 9 different operators, and we'll be going to have data types, a very strong data types, and it is a portable language. The meaning of this portable is, it's the code what we are running in one computer, it's not dependent on the machine to execute. If you write a program in one machine, the same program you can execute into the other machine. So portable is what? Easy to carry, easy to move from one system to other system. So portable in the sense, program is not dependent on machine. So in one machine you are writing a program, that program you can move into other computer to execute. And the sixth feature is, it is efficient and extensible. That is, we will be given with access to create our own functions. We can create our own functions, and we can put the functions into our libraries. So that is what extensible language. And uh, the other programming languages, which are C++, Java, and other languages, will be having dependency, something like, if you know C programming language, you can easy to know other languages. It is a core of programming languages. C language is a core of programming languages. And the next feature is it is very flexible to know and to understand, because it supports only 32 keywords. It supports only 32 reserved words. And the next feature is it is top down. That is, C programming executing scenario as top down approach that will start from the first line and will goes to till the last line. Top down approaching. And the next is it is a structured and organized program. So if you see n number of C programs, you will find the same structure because it is an organized code, and it is a modular programming language. C programming is it's a modular programming language. For example, if I wanted to write a program to find out addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, so I can divide the whole program into segments, modules. I can divide the whole program into modules. So C allows to write a modular programming language. And the best advantage and the best feature of C is this, that standard library. So there is a library where we do get all predefined functions. So just we can use it, which are built-in functions. We do have standard library, and this library will have several functions. We can just use of it. We need not to tell where we are, how we are writing, how we are implementing. All these things are not required because these are already defined by somebody, and these are available in library. So as per the requirement of user, we can just use it. And it is very faster in execution. So once you'll execute a C program, you'll get object code and executable code. And the next feature is it is dynamic memory. You can create a variable, and once after usage is finished, we can free the memory space which is allocated to the variable. So these are what are features of C programming language. Features of C programming language. And the next video will be going to talk about applications of C programming language. Thank you all.